name's Dr. Maria Goddard. I'm a doctor here in the Urgent Treatment Centre and I work in public health. I've been an NHS doctor for more than 30 years in primary care and secondary care, and I'm also a trained lifestyle physician. And when I came to work at the Royal Free Hospital, I came around the AEU and realised that not only is it a very difficult place to work because there's no daylight and no outside queues, but this also really affects the elderly patients who stay here. And sometimes just that loss of the normal rhythm of life can increase confusion in an elderly patient and actually lead them to not being able to go home because they lose their daily rhythms, they lose being able to look after themselves, and they can sometimes end up going into a care home rather than going home. So as a really simple way of trying to combat this, I thought, well, what can we do? We really need some windows, what can we get? And I thought about, well, why not a digital window? And I found a wonderful company called The Sky Inside who do such things. And we've had digital windows installed in 2 of the bays in the AEU. I myself work down in this area and I could get quite confused myself and disorientated by no windows, and it can be quite a sort of dull, stressful area. So we're hoping that having these lovely screens on the walls will actually make the staff feel a little bit happier at work, bring some light into their work, and it's something interesting, something to look at, something to relax with, and something that can be quite entertaining and something to talk about. We have 9 different settings that you can have, 7 outside scenes, and we have 2 fish tanks, which are rather nice. And the outside scenes obviously go through the circadian cycle with the daylight and moving into nighttime, and a star-filled sky, which is lovely. We also have these lovely fish tanks which can be put on just for fun,